Hello people, how's it going? I hope you guys are doing fine. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys something really crazy. So you guys ready for that? Okay. So recently I discovered this program known as Midjourney. So what it basically is that it's an AI tool that can generate any image, any, based on your textual descriptions. So yeah, without further ado, just type Midjourney on your browser, and the first link that pops up, you gotta click on that. So after that you go into Midjourney's official homepage, and to access Midjourney you gotta have a Discord account. So yeah, without Discord it can't open because this tool works inside Discord only. So if you guys don't have a Discord, I recommend you guys checking out this video in the top right corner on how to create a Discord account. After that you can continue from here. So okay, now you gotta click on join the beta, and after you do that your Discord should open, yes, like this. Yeah, so this is Midjourney's official Discord. This is where you will be generating images based on your prompts. So on the right side you'll see all these rooms, Discord rooms. So there's this room called newcomers room. So yeah, you gotta click on any of these. So I'll click on new by 112. This opens up after that. So in order to start generating your images, what you gotta do is on the text box below you gotta hit slash and write imagine. So slash imagine, this is a prompt that helps you enter the textual description for the AI to generate. So you hit enter, and after the prompt opens you gotta type your image description there. So basically what picture I want is, okay, a futuristic city on the rings of Saturn. Let's see how the AI gets this picture. I want it to be more detailed, so I'll write 8K Ultra SD photo realistic. So yeah, let's see what Midjourney gives us the picture. So as you can see, literally thousands of people are using this tool at the same time as me. So your prompt might get lost in the middle of all of this, so you gotta keep track of your prompt. So it's 35%, it's still loading. Yeah, I'm excited, very excited to see how pictures come up. Let's see this picture. So the Black Knight sat alone in a cave filled with cobwebs. Beside him was the flag of Indonesian state fluttering. Okay. In front of the knight was a bonfire, ultra detailed, ultra realistic, 4K realistic. And this is the picture it generated. I mean, I'm just mind blown. I have no words, guys. My picture, I think it should be ready by now. It's here. Yeah, it's ready. So yeah, it shows the Saturn's rings above and the skyline, futuristic skyline. I really like this third picture, you know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get more variations of this third picture. So right, I'll click on V3. So what V means, it's variations. So out of any 4 pictures you click on any of the picture and it will give variations, like 3-4 more similar pictures of the main picture. Click on V3. Okay, so it should start giving me 4 different variations of the third picture. Yeah, it's loading. The results. Yeah, it has 4 different similar pictures. Okay, that's pretty crazy, right? So yeah, this is how you can generate images. Wow, look at this picture. This is really good, really good. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys try this app out, app or program, whatever. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.